हेलो हेलो और स्वागत है आपका आपके चैनल लीगल पंथी में। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट अवधूत और आज मैं करने जा रहा हूं मेरा बैग ओपनिंग। बैग ओपनिंग मतलब बहुत लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि यार अवधूत, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स यू ब्रिंग इन योर बैग, बिकॉज regardless of what situation is, you always have the equipments with you, the tools with you for every situation that occurs. So इस वीडियो में मैं मेरा बैग ओपनिंग करने वाला हूँ. I'm going to show you what all things I carry for my college, as well as my recommended things what to carry with it. So without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, let me show you my bag. So this is an anti-theft bag. इसका एक बेनिफिट आता है कि regardless of there are no compartments outside, there are multiple compartments inside which I can use. So let's start with the outer chains. So यहाँ पे एक particular compartment आता है. When I open it, as you can see here, I have a pen drive, a playing card, and a memory card reader. So what all things I keep in my memory card and this particular pen drive is, I keep soft copies of all the documents which I have. For example, Aadhaar card, my 10th marks card, PAN card soft copy. So all these documents are here, as well as certain informatic like my hall ticket, my question paper set, or my presentations, copy of my presentations are always in this particular pen drive. You never know when you need a pen drive. For example, if you want to take notes from a lecturer, a PPT note, and if you don't have a source to carry, it will be very sad because you never know what mood your lecturer will be in. So I always carry a pen drive, a memory card reader, as well as a playing card. Playing card, basically it was given to me by my friend. It has like 1500 credits into it. So the time I'll go to Bangalore next time, I might use it again. So the next compartment here is the outside compartment here. So here I keep my library cards and photographs and also sticky notes. So एक library card अभी missing है because I have took a book from library. So one of the library card is in library right now, and there are sticky notes. That's it. That's all I keep in here because these are easily accessible, and whenever I go to library, I do not have to struggle through all the mess to find my library card. It's always safe and secure over here. So this next compartment is this. So I keep my identity card in this particular compartment because regardless if I'm wearing my bag or not, this compartment is easily accessible even while wearing the bag. So whenever I miss out on my ID card, I just have to open this compartment and take my ID card out. So let me keep this ID card quickly. So there is another compartment over here which is empty, completely empty. I use this particular compartment to keep pen or any kind of small things which I have took out, but I'm wearing the bag and I just don't want to take my bag out because it is an anti-theft bag. I cannot access it from wearing it. I have to take it out and then I have to open the chain and then I'll go. So it's easier to keep one pocket empty so that anytime you need anything or you want to keep anything, you can just use this compartment. It's very hard to open this way. So in the laptop compartment, I keep documents, all the hard copies of my documents, a Xerox copy of all the documents which I have. Aadhaar card, my marks card, my hall ticket, my PAN card, you name it, I have it. I always carry my documents with me all the time. Not the originals, but the Xerox of the documents are always with me. Regardless of what situation, I always have access to this. Then I have my pad and my A4 size blank papers so that whenever there is a drafting or any kind of application, letter or any kind of situation, I always have an A4 paper with a pad ready to write out on. And in 4th semester you're going to need it anyways because you're going to be drafting contracts and you're going to be drafting arbitration documents, so you're going to need it regardless of it. The next thing is the golden book for advocates. This book, I have made a separate video on this book, so I'm not gonna speak in detail about it. If you want to know what this book is, you can check out my channel. I have already mentioned it, and you can also click on this or this I buttons to access that particular video. And then the holy book for any advocate or any law student, the Constitution of India. See, regardless, I have cleared my constitution subject. I have gone through multiple situations where I need Constitution of India in my hand. So I always carry my Constitution of India with me because it's the law of the land. It's the ultimate law of the land. You cannot lose your hand over the Constitution. So that's it for the laptop compartment. Then I'll go with the other compartment which has my pouch in it. So this is my pouch. It's hard shell pouch. In this particular pouch, I have all the pens, red, blue, green and black color pens. I primarily use black color. So there are multiple black color pens and then there are other pens. And also I have a pencil, sharpener, eraser, a whitener and a scale in it. So regardless of any situation, I'll be having some tool to deal with it. So it's a very handy pouch. Then I have my other notebook which I use for documenting some other stuff, such as if there are some homeworks given, if there are certain things to carry on the next day, is there some competition or any kind of information which has been provided, I write it in this so that I do not forget about it. So this is the only notebook you're gonna find. So this is the book. This is the book which I carry, Human Rights. Actually, this book always rotates because it's took on library card. So regardless of which subject, I always have one or the other textbook of the subject which I'm dealing with, so that in the free time or if the class is boring or if I go out somewhere, if I'm having lunch, I can just open it and read few sections or read few topics which I'm getting stuck at. So this is always handy. It's like my novel book. People read stories, I read law. This is it. So this is my special book. This is a dotted book which I use if the class is too boring and I cannot read other subjects. So this is what we do in our class. This is a gaming book. I play games during the classes. I don't know if you are able to see it or not. Yeah, now you are able to see. So I play in this. This is my gaming book. So the next thing is this compartment over here. And you'll be shocked, but I have a lot many chocolates in this particular compartment. Because sometimes what happens, you're too sleepy or you did not had enough sleep, so you get sleepy in the classroom. To avoid sleepiness, I eat chocolate and it also re-energizes you because a lot of sugar into it. So there are few things which are missing here which I'll be adding because my power bank right now is here getting charged. So my power bank will be in this particular compartment down here and will be always connected to this. So whenever my battery drains out, I have my power bank to charge my battery. So apart from this stuff, I carry my own water bottle because you can never trust water outside your own house. So you should always carry your water bottle with you. And apart from this, now it's rainy season, so I always recommend you to carry your own umbrella. So this is it. This is all the things which I have. So please like it, comment, and don't forget to share it with your friends who are gonna pursue LLB. Till then, bye bye.